Racing just is started while Viva Maria was left behind. Touch of class. First to show quickness at the start. Moving up on the outside. Grand game. Bostilios, the Green Lexter in the middle portions with Eliza. And on the outside comes Showmaster. Then next on line is Batangas Force. Mr. Lindros second last while Territunda is the early trailer by about 9 lengths of the leader. We have Touch of Class maintaining a length and a half lead. Grand Game is right behind in second. Bostilios now coming closer in third as we realize Green Lexter, Mr. Lindros, Showmaster, Territunda, while Batangas Force now racing in less inside the tres octavo. We have Touch of Class maintaining a 3/4 of a length lead. Then here comes Bostilios now about to throw the challenge on the outside. We have the complexion of the race now has been changed with Bostilios now takes command by the length. Then moving up now on the outside is Mr. Lindros, and on the outside Grand Wings with Eliza. Touch of Class, Showmaster as they swing for home. We have Bostilios by the length and a half. Mr. Lindros, Showmaster is still in third. That's 100 meters. We have Bostilios followed by Mr. Lindros in second. But it's still Bostilios and finally Bostilios. Mr. Lindros, Showmaster, then comes with Eliza. Touch of Class.
May palagi ko baka mag-photo pa tayo for a second between 7 and 5. Tapos uno raw yung sinabi ni Chris. Hindi ko
Touch of Class, tama.